welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Cynthia. Please subscribe and join my family, and if you're coming back for more, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So in today's hair video, Mslynn Hair was kind enough to send me this 24 inches water wave wig. It is a 4x4 lace closure wig, and like I said, it is 24 inches. It's this long, so it's pretty long, and it is a water wave wig. As you guys can see, it kind of looks wet, but it's not. I really like this texture. But yeah, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box, so please do check them out. And thank you so much to Mslynn Hair for sponsoring this video. So the hair comes in this very cute box. It comes in this box, and inside you get the hair, obviously, which I'm currently wearing, and then you also get a pair of lashes, which are cute, super cute. You get a pair of lashes, and then I think these are, this is an adjustable band, I'd like to believe. Yeah, definitely. You get that, and then you get a card with all their information, the return policy, and just like instructions on how to take care of the hair and everything. So that is cute. And then yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I installed this hair, and also how to get these curls to look like this. I'm feeling myself. I haven't had a water wave wig in such a long time, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm gonna get right into the video. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video.
Wine on the beat. One on the beat.
So this is how the hair looks like when it's wet. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed with these curls. I haven't had, like I said, a water wave wig in such a long time, so I kind of forgot how it looks, it feels. So this feels really soft. It looks very soft. The hair does not shed at all. I'm so impressed. The hair did not shed at all. I just need to fix hair or maybe add baby hairs, but I'm always doing baby hairs, so I want this to be a very clean and easy install. So I'm not going to do any baby hairs. It looks very pretty. I'm very impressed. So I'm going to leave all the hair details in the description box, so please do check that out. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, then please do give me a very big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you feel like it. Share the video if you want to. And yeah, until we meet again.